Happy New Year, each and everyone around the world, guys. Happy New Year. Bless upon yourself, guys. Hope you guys may have a wonderful couple hours from now until the new year. You see me? Whether you want to ring in the new year in our party vibes, our home vibes, just bless upon yourself. Hope every one of my subscribers and other persons around the world may live to see a better 2025. And may the haters them back off and go look at life. Now, people, talking about the haters, guys, what are we all Lorraine? Give it to T-Girl. It may come to talk about. Remember, very important to like the video. So like up the video, guys. Like up the video. Give me some New Year's like. Because 2025 is near upon us. Vibes Cartel show. Down a stadium. It not gonna Freedom Street. But people, to me, it's too expensive. I'm not gonna wait. Now, guys, what the situation me here on social media. Guys, me say me hear Lorraine dip up underneath T-Girl and tell her say she need to come off of social media and go find sitting though. She's wasting so many times on social media, guys, and don't forget that. I was telling that in 2024, I was telling that about that woman there. They on social media and I waste time. I watch Dana and I watch Chris and she now watch out for her life. I see her for her life and go down the drain. I also hear Lorraine say T-Girl, I follow people that drop them cake price and I still not go on. Lorraine even go watch for her say, yo, she make a lot of money off her cake them. You see me? Now, guys, that's what I always say, you know. You see Dana are the boss. Them a run back at Dana. Why you think Lorraine a bake and T-Girl a bake? Them a follow Dana. Why that's why them hate Dana, so because them they want the market for themselves, people. I don't want to stray a bit from the two from Lorraine and T-Girl. I'm telling these people. All along, them they want the cake market for themselves. Now Lorraine tell Chris say he need to make a bakery down a Bronx, New Jersey, and I believe some part of New York again. You see me? I think of Brooklyn. And shame T-Girl because all T-Girl do I watch out Chris' life. And she now make the money. Yeah man, she drop cake price at must $30 people. Who can sell cake for $30? Lorraine also make T-Girl know say, yo, you need to look for your daughter and take care of your daughter. The bag of Christmas picture, New Year's picture, birthday picture, never make no sense. You see me? Now we know say guys, we know say T-Girl have some issues with her daughter. Because you know say she did her daughter them a waste, them really like her like that. Now T-Girl, you say, yo, that's why things can be better for you. I always say it. You're too dirty and corrupt and bad mind. And you sit down every day and watch out people business. And your life now gonna win. You're in the same clothes, the same hairstyle, the same house. Not talk about in a good. You see me? And they want to come on social media and go like all that and speak spooky and thing. And see it? You're one of your best friend them. Or you know that share secret with and thing. Turn enemy now. You see that? I saw God work mysteriously and I'm exposing one by one. You never know that? You never know say you and Lorraine they go kick off. I God do it. I'm talking about Lorraine people. Lorraine and the next wicked Badmind want to talk about Dana every day and sing pan Dana for 2024. Dana was Lorraine basket. You see me? Dana pay a Lorraine bill regarding social media. The amount of time she called Dana name. Me know say all the money that she make about Dana must go to some bills. Me not gonna call that people. Straight facts. Now, you see you Lorraine, you was no far, you was no, should I say, you was no better than T-Girl. You was the same kind of mentality like T-Girl. You see me? Me not understand this. Where you get this baking thing from? What was the baking thing about? A long time when I bake? No. From the start then I bake. It have burn you so much and you don't like it. You see me? On the fight, on the cake war every year and the cake battle and this and that and that and that. On the life not better. I only have made the change that 2025 and I doubt them are gonna make the change, people. Them are gonna be the same kind of dark shit on social media. Them are gonna be the same haters to Planka Boss. But all Planka Boss are gonna do is just rise and go to a different level. While them mongrels stay on the same level and thing. Because they have nothing to talk about. See me? All them have you just mouth for chat, all kind of bullshit. You see two of life better. I'll hear Lorraine a show off pan T-Girl. Lorraine life is better. Lorraine life is better. Lorraine is a real load of shit also again, just like T-girl. Sit down every day, watch out than a business, say they're a scammer. I same thing Lorraine I do. I same thing should I say T-girl I do. I watch out Chris business. Yeah man, I watch out Chris business. And I want Chris make the money. And she not make the money, you know. She not going away. She stuck the same place for the past 5 to 6 years. From she come out of prison, her mind was gone so. And she fight a battle where she not gonna win. And the idiot keep on doing it over and over and over and over and over. I expect to get a different result, same result. Why do you think Dana beating us bad? Dana beating us bad because you're too workless. You're too dirty and corrupt. See me? You don't want good for nobody. You don't want to hear the worst about people. Or people burn out and things, you don't like it. Some of you are drunk. You see me? Some of you are do good for to watch people business. Because all you hear Lorraine talking to people, enough things she do in 2024 now. Enough bad things Lorraine do in 2024. So right now Lorraine is like a sister to T-girl. Believe it or not. So all she burn her out and think people, them are the same thing. Remember this. Lorraine criticized Dana Cake. Lorraine criticized Dana Charity. What T-girl do? Criticized Dana Cake also. Criticized Dana Charity. Criticized Chris business. They are no different people. The only difference is that they live different location in America. You see me? And the two of them do the same thing, people, you know what I mean? So, me not get this thing here. But, see, at the end of the day still, guys, Father God have a mysterious way for work around things. And them have a way of expose the haters them on social media. And trust me, T-girl and Lorraine are going to just go down the drain. They are going to just go down the drain. Them don't make no sense. Them don't make no sense. Them are two idiot woman on social media. Me don't know the purpose uno do on social media. Because it's uno, trust me, for how long you can do this now? For how long you can try bring on Chris? For how long she can try bring on Dana? Why do you think the two of life stay the same way? Why do you think you can't happy? Why do you think you can't get a good man on the life? Why you think said Lorraine life is better than nobody else one? Because she bad mind. She bad mind planka boss. She bad mind the world than a crew. See me? And she not have a happier life, but them want the worst other persons out there. You know much things Lorraine try to stop in 2024? You know much things my girl are going to win in 2024? T-girl? Say this to here people. I'm put a card away, things not gonna change. See me? So yeah, them two attack. It's a matter of time. Yeah man, them not gonna change. Them can't be the same old drunk up on social media. You see me? So when them talk people, sorry about that. But that's them. But that's when Lorraine attack. You see me? Lorraine have a motive what she want to do. You see me? Lorraine wants to sell cake just as how T-girl wants to sell cake. This is all about selling cake and getting at each other. You see me? But an idea, the two of them are some wicked individuals on social media. The two of them dirty. The two of them corrupt and bad mind. And the two of them not going away. You see me? Because they don't want the cake market for themselves. They don't want to control the whole cake in America, England and maybe Canada. You see me? That's in the one and it don't work out for Uno. Because Dana stay humble and do fair thing while Uno are tearing each other just over cakes. You see me? What does it worth it? Does it worth it for all that? In a worth it with all that and thing, yo. But guess something? These fools on social media, they will never know. And they might continue the same thing over and over and over and get the same result. You see me? So guys, let's upon yourself again now. Enjoy the rest of the night, you know, people. And, you know, Happy New Year. And stay focused to 2025. And do what you always do. You see me? Make yourself happy. Do the right thing, do the positive things. And just stay far from bad mind and evil people. Because that's all them there for do. Is bring it down. Them not have the love in their heart. You see me? They must want the worst for your people, but stay focused. Couple hours from now. to be 2025. See me? And we have to give God thanks for everything at all. Things could be worse. So let's give God thanks for everything. Bless upon yourself. We chat soon.